Hello, friends. Mr. Ryther here. When someone hates someone else because of their race, this kind of hatred is often based on lies. Lies that can spread this hate like a virus. In order to stop the spread of hate, we must recognize the truth that we're all one human family, and an attack on one of us hurts us all. Martin Luther King once said, "Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that." With love, we can stand together against the kind of hate that leads to unjustified killings of Black Americans like George Floyd. With love, we can stand together against the kind of hate that leads to attacks on Asians and Asian Americans. Today's song is called "Hate is Like a Virus. Love is the Vaccine." And joining me on today's song are my friends Suzanne Nichols, Carly Mari, and Marissa Bergman. If you find yourself hating a perfect stranger because they are a different race or hue,
it's time for you to face the real danger and recognize there's something ailing you.
Hate is like a virus, and love is the vaccine, and love is what unites us, and hate is a disease, and hate is what divides us, and love will bring us peace, and hate is like a virus, and love is the vaccine.
If you find yourself blaming a race of people, it's time for you to look into the mirror
And realize we're all a human family. Love is the antidote to fear.
Hate is like a virus, and love is the vaccine, and love is what unites us, and hate is a disease, and hate is what divides us, and love will bring us peace, and hate is like a virus, and love is the vaccine. So get your dose of love before it's too late.
before it's too late.
Get your dose of love before it's too late.
Before it's too late.
Stand up to hate, stand up to hate, stand up to hate with love. Stand up to hate, stand up to hate, stand up to hate with love. Hate is like a virus, love is a vaccine, love is what unites us, hate is a disease, hate is what divides us, and love will bring us peace. Hate is like a virus, and love is the vaccine. Thank you, Suzanne. Thank you, Carly. And thank you, Marissa, for joining me on today's song. And friends watching at home, what can you do to make the world a more loving, more understanding place for someone who's a different race than you?